A very good morning, dear participants. Welcome to this online program on Introduction to Python Programming and Applications in Water Resources Sector, which will be conducted for the coming 2. We have already circulated the procedure for enrolling yourself in the course page of NWA e-learning platform. Please follow the screenshots. Please follow the steps to register on the NWA e-learning platform. In case if you have already registered, you can directly skip those steps and go to the enrollment page. And please enroll the course, and then we will be conducting the sessions 15 sessions for the coming 2 weeks. We will also be having a session on Saturday, and daily we will be having review webinars for the clearance of doubts. We have also created WhatsApp group for answering for addressing any miscellaneous queries. So please enroll, complete the enrollment process. The first session will be started. We will upload it after completion of once we conclude this inaugural session. Now, to proceed further, we have with us Shri D.S. Chaskar sir, Chief Engineer and Head of National Water Academy. I would like to request him to deliver inaugural session to mark the beginning of this training program. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Hope I am audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Once again, very good morning and warm welcome to everybody for the inaugural session of this very special training program on Python that National Water Academy is conducting. Today is the auspicious day of Janmashtami. Best wishes from me to all of you. आप सबको जन्माष्टमी की हार्दिक बधाई. As you might be knowing that 23rd August we have started celebrating it. It is a National Space Day to mark the advances of India in space technology, and it is indeed a matter of pride for all of us that since independence, India has made progress on various fronts. But one area where the progress of India is acknowledged all over the world is the space technology. And because of these advances in the space technology or geospatial technology, we have been able to make its application in various sectors, starting from agriculture, water resources sector, forestry, environmental issues, and many other sectors. Particularly, water sector is a sector where geospatial technology has numerous advantages and numerous applications. And every officer, every professional working in water sector needs to have some basic understanding of the geospatial technologies. Geospatial technologies find applications in flood management, inundation modeling, water quality monitoring, irrigation management, water bodies, delineation, glacial outlet, glacial lakes monitoring. So there are numerous applications of geospatial technology. And incidentally, in the recent times, we have tools and data both available freely on the internet. There are certain licensed softwares. There are many, priced or unlicensed softwares, free softwares available on the internet. And NWA is also conducting various programs for applications of geospatial technology in water sector. Recently, we conducted a training program on Google Earth Engine. We also regularly conduct program on QGIS. But one thing that we have seen that to harness the power of these tools, to harness the power of this Google Earth Engine or QGIS or any other GIS platform, if the officer is not conversant with a programming interface, which allows to exploit that, or which allows to leverage the maximum result from the software, then the person is a bit handicapped. And whenever we conduct such programs, we have seen that many people are not aware of any programming language, and that is why some of our time is required to be devoted in the initial period of the program for giving some overview of the Python. So we thought of coming out with a special training program on Python itself. It has been conducted in earlier years also. But considering the response of officers to our geospatial training programs, we thought of coming out with a special module on Python, and which is having a slightly longer duration, because earlier we used to conduct this particular program only 1 week. And this program now we are conducting for 2 weeks duration, so that we can take you from 0 to up to 10. So every aspect related to the Python programming we propose to create, and we propose to handle in this particular 2 weeks of training program. Why Python? Basically because Python has become now a very popular programming languages. Though it was introduced in 1991, it has become really popular in the last 10 years or so. Basically because it is a kind of one of the most used language for the programming interfaces of various geospatial softwares. The popularity of Python is attributed to its versatility and the robust support from a thriving scientific community and data analysis community. This particular programming language has a very powerful libraries such as pandas for data manipulation, such as scikit learn for machine learning, and Python has established itself as a go-to language for a wide range of data analysis tasks. One of the Python's greatest strength is its flexibility, which, along with its extensive library support, makes it an invaluable tool across various domains, including water resources domain. We must understand that in this program, we are learning only application of Python to the geospatial technology applications. But Python is a general purpose language. It has been used in various sectors like automation, data analytics, databases, documentation, for creating graphics user interface, image processing, machine learning, mobile applications, multimedia, computer networking. So there is no application where Python cannot be used. It's a very general purpose language. But our objective in this training program will be how to leverage this language to get maximum out of the geospatial softwares. And that's why we will be focusing on certain aspect related to geospatial technology. And that basically is how to do geospatial analysis using Python, working with the vector data and raster data, how to do time series analysis using Python, how to do the customization of QGIS using this programming language. But obviously, before we go to that level, we will have to start with certain basics. So as it happens for every language, before we learn a language, we must understand what is the basics of it, what are the basic data types, what are the basic data structures, how to write functions, how to do the looping, how to control the flow of the program, and similarly, what are the ways and means by which the language can be used for different style of programming. Python can be used for procedural programming, it can be used for object-oriented programming, it can be also used for the functional programming. So the flexibility of Python makes it a versatile language which can be used for any application. So I'm sure for the next 2 weeks, you are going to have a very comprehensive training from Sri Chaitanya. And we will be hosting this particular training program on our Moodle platform. So it is very important that you log into the Moodle platform, log into the course website almost on a daily basis, attend the live sessions, undertake the assignments, quizzes, complete the assessment, online assessment, and also give your feedback. Okay, then only you'll be qualified for getting a certificate from National Water Academy. I'm sure this program will be very interesting for all of you. You are encouraged to ask questions. In the Moodle platform, we have a course forum facility wherein you can put forth your questions, queries, and they will be replied by the faculty, as well as there can be comments from other participants as well. Okay, so we would like that this particular program becomes a kind of an interactive program, not only among the faculty and you, but among the participants itself. But for that, it is very important that you all access our course website and remain active on the course website. It was really heartwarming for all of us to know that this program received tremendous response. There are more than 850 nominations, registrations from various stakeholders, water resources engineers, academicians, researchers, scientists, professionals, NGOs, civil society officers. And as I said, geospatial tools have become a very important tool in the hands of water resources engineers. And to leverage the maximum outcome from those geospatial tools, we must learn Python programming. And I'm sure Python is such a simple language. It's just like a English language that we talk with certain syntax. So understanding it is very easy. And once you learn the Python, not only you will be able to apply it to geospatial technology tools, but you will also be able to apply it for any other purposes, any other application that you might be wanting to know. So friends, once again, I welcome you all for this training program. And I wish you all a very happy learning in the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for delivering an enlightening inaugural address. We will request the participants to one more time to complete the enrollment process, and we will be uploading shortly the first session of the training program on Introduction to Python Programming, Program Overview and Introduction to Python Programming, where we will be covering the installation process also. Please follow step by step, take pauses, and do the simultaneous installation on your systems. And in the afternoon, we will be having second session. In the first week, we will be covering mostly basics. In the second week, we will go to applications. We will be also be having guest faculty from NIH, Farka Barrage Project, and Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. So I wish you all the best, and please complete the enrollment process, and please complete the sessions daily, even though there are no fixed timings for the recorded sessions, but don't keep the backlog, complete them daily so that you will be able to attempt the assessment test and submit the feedback to receive the e-certificate. We will be giving time to you after the completion of the training program until 9th September for completion of assessment test and submission of feedback. Thank you very much.
Chaitanya, can you demonstrate them how to access our website and how it looks like?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that they can understand where to go, because some of them might not have yet registered on our website.
Yes, sir. I will share my screen. I hope the screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you please search for in the Google. You please search for NWA Pune, and or you can directly go to this URL nwapune.gov.in. You can search. When you search for NWA Pune in Google, you will be seeing this link on the first. It will appear first in your search. You can go to the URL, and then you have to register by clicking on this login registration tab. If you have already registered and have an account, then you can directly input your login and password. Otherwise, you can create a new account by clicking this registration and then fill all the required fields. Choose a username. Better to choose your email address itself as a username, and then fill all the details. And then you will receive a confirmation mail to your registered mail ID. And once you confirm, you can come back and then log in using those credentials. Now I am logging with my own ID.
One small hint to the participants. Please register with your own email ID. avoid using your official email ID, because what happens, official email ID can be used by multiple people, whereas if you use your personal email ID for creating the account, your account will be forever there on our Moodle platform. And even if you change your organization, or if you go to you get transferred to some other place, still you will be able to access the courses of National Water Academy, new courses also, and also the old courses that you have undertaken. So my suggestion would be that you please register with your own personal email ID, okay, rather than official email ID, because official email ID is normally common, and many people have access using that ID. If two people are working in the same office, and if they try to register with the same email ID, it won't create accounts that way. So please register using your own email ID.
Yes, sir. I have also circulated this PDF in the WhatsApp group and to your email address. This is giving you the same procedure in the screenshots. You go to the login registration tab and then create the account. And if you are visiting for the first time, click the create new account to register. Or if you already have the registration on our e-learning platform, you can click on login by inputting your credentials. And once you create an account, you will be getting such an email to your registered email ID. Welcoming you to the e-learning platform, and then you have to click the activation link for activation. Sometimes you may not be able to find this email in your inbox. You please go to check even the spam folders. And just as you, sir said, in case if you have used government IDs, there may be an issue even in the receipt of this email. Use your personal IDs, and then once you activate, you can log in. And once you log in, I will again demonstrate live, but you can have a look at the screenshots. Once you log in, you will find this site home on the left side panel. Um, a mouse is there. You can click on site home, and then go to the programs on specialized topics, faculty assisted topics. And then there you will find this program, Introduction to Python Programming and Applications in Water Resources Sector. Along with the date, time period, you will be finding it, the first course, because it is the latest course that has been uploaded. So you select the program, and then you type in the enrollment key. Enrollment key is simple Python 2024, P capital, and all other letters are small, and the numerals 2024. And then click on Enroll Me. Once you enroll, then you will see this confirmation message that you are enrolled in the course. You will also get an email to your registered email ID that you will get a welcome message welcoming you to the training program and about the details of the training program. Then once you enroll this, every time when you log in the e-learning portal, you can go to this My Courses tab on the left panel, where you will find the shortcut for this training course, Python 2024, which is the short name for this course, as well as the enrollment key. Click on the same to access the course every time you log in. Once you access the course one time, every time when you log in, it will appear on the first page itself as it is a recently accessed course. You will not face any difficulty in accessing it. So let me also demonstrate it live. So I already enrolled and logged in. I can input my credentials. Since I have already logged in, it will be showing like these under the recently accessed courses. But if you are logging in for the first time, you please click on this site home. And once you click on the site home, you go to the programs on specialized topics, faculty assisted courses. and you will be finding this course along with the time period of this training program, 26th August to 6th September 2024, with a description. You can click on this course, and there you will be required to put in the enrollment key. In case if you have already enrolled, then you will be directly accessing the course. In the course page, you will be finding the course forum as well as tentative session plan. And this is the inaugural session which I had posted the WebEx meeting link, and many of you have accessed it from the same course forum. And the second session, as you see, it is the material is yet to be posted. It will be posted, uploaded shortly. So in the designate as per the session plan, at the designated time period, we will be uploading the sessions here. And also for live webinars also, we will be creating the links in this portal. So please enroll, complete the enrollment process and access the course. The first session will be uploaded shortly.
I think we can give them a chance to ask any queries or doubts if they have on the registration process.
Yes. So please, if any of you have any queries regarding accessing our e-learning platform, you can unmute yourself and pose your query, or you can even type in the chat box. All the steps are very much detailed and simple steps. You should not be facing any difficulty.
If there is any query, please ask or put it in a chat window. You can type it in a chat so that we can reply to it. And as I can see it here, many officers have now joined. About 350 officers have joined for this inaugural function. It's good to see such a good response for this training program. But if you have any query regarding the course content, course format, the course website, how to access the course content, please ask. Please, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Yeah, regarding this, there is one question regarding the software which is required for the training session. In the first session, which we will be uploading shortly, it will be covered. See, Python is an open access language, but we will be installing it through a software called Anaconda distribution, because we will be requiring, apart from the standard libraries of Python, we will be requiring third-party packages for conducting data analysis and geospatial analysis. So it is very much explained in detail. All the sessions in the first week are very detailed, explaining each and every step. You take pauses, you do simultaneously do the hands-on on your system. Mr. Kamesh, you are asking, you said you have created a new account but not open the final step. Actually, I am unable to get. If there is any problem, you please unmute yourself and please pose your question.
Sir, I create new account, sir, but it's not to open to login first time, sir.
No, please check your connection. It should not be any issue. Once you have you created the account?
Yes, sir, I created, sir, already.
So then you please check your inbox, including the spam folder. You have to click on activation. One activation link will be sent. You
Sir,
are registering for the, yeah.
Mail is already sent, sir.
Okay.
I click and open it, sir. But
Okay.
I got the final step, not, sir.
No. Once you click on activation, your account has been created. Now you have to go to again nwapune.gov.in. You
Yes,
click
sir.
on login/registration. Then you give your username and password.
Sir, I login, sir. My username and
Okay.
password is given login, sir. But it shows this email sent அப்படின்ட்டு ஒரு mail வருது, sir.
Yeah, that means you haven't clicked on activation link. Activation link in the email that has been sent. You go back to your email. You click
Okay.
on one link. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
There
So
was
if you
one
have
question that I want to change the user account I have created using official email ID. No issue. You can simply create a new account. You don't have to change it as such. You simply create a new account with your personal ID. That's all. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
you will have two accounts, one with the official email ID, one with the personal email ID.
Sir,
This is a question from Iriya Chandar. Iriya Chandar is asking how to change the user account, because he has already created official email account and he want to now have a personal email ID as a for the account as.
yes, sir. There is one more question from Bhibu Kalyan regarding that he has ArcGIS in his laptop, and will any version of Python pose any problem? Yes, to tackle this, actually, you can have different versions of Python on the same system, provided you are creating them in a secluded environment. So that procedure is explained in the first session. Please follow the first session. We will create a particular environment for this training program. And then we will upload, we will install Python as well as other packages in that environment, so that there will not be any collision or compatibility issues. The recorded sessions will be provided yeah, they will be provided. For Mac also, generally most of the 90% participants will be working on Windows. So our sessions are covered having them in mind, but you will have the same procedure. We will be giving you the web links to Anaconda distribution software. So there will be procedural steps for following if you are working on Mac. So please follow the steps. It is very easy software to deal with.
There is a question whether there will be online review session at 17:30 hours daily, in addition to the recorded session, whether there will be online review session.
Yes, sir. We are planning to have online review sessions every day on the training days to answer queries. And if they have anything, they can bring up.
Actually, my advice to all of you would be, after you go through the recorded sessions, you won't have much queries as such, I know, because the recorded sessions are very nicely, explained, and everything has been covered. But if you have any queries, do join for the evening live session for your quiz. And even if you don't have any query, still you should I would advise you to join it, basically because even though you may not be having the queries, but the discussion that will happen because of the queries from other people will also be very useful for you. So I would request everybody, whether you have query or not, to join for the evening review session, online review session.
Sir, I am from CWPRS only, sir. I am working in Google Colab environment. Then Anaconda is to be installed, sir? Or can I do in the Colab itself?
Madam, if you are an advanced user and working on Google Colab, you can use the Colab. However, actually, this program is designed as a foundational and introductory program. So Google Colab is nothing but Jupyter notebooks only, but where online means they are accessible from cloud. So you can do either way. If you are if you can follow the our sessions and step by step, where you will not face any issue. If you want to work on Google Colab, you can download the Jupyter notebooks, which we will be uploading, and then you run them on Google Colab.
Sir, that means Anaconda, I am not aware of that Anaconda. Anaconda is offline, I can work on offline Anaconda?
So Anaconda is just a distribution package, which will, along with Python, it will also be useful for downloading various packages, third-party packages, for which we will be using during this course. We may not be using this course, but once you set up using Anaconda, and we will tell you how to install any third-party package, you can further use it even after completion of the course. For your daily work, you can use the same procedure. It will be much more easier for you to work with Anaconda.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you much. I will do.
Janya Sharma is asking, sir, would the sessions would be pre-recorded or live classes would be taken? Janya, the morning, every morning, you are supposed to take a recorded session, which will give you the details of that particular topic. And in the evening at 5:30 daily, we will have a live class where it will be a kind of a review session where everybody is expected to join and ask queries or doubts. And that way learning will happen. It is a mix of both recorded plus live sessions. There is a query from Ammu Anil. I'm a PhD scholar in international studies specializing in hydrodiplomacy. I saw many engineers here, so I want to know this course is understandable to arts background people too. Yes, Mr. Anil, it is very much understandable to the people from any background, art, commerce, science, technical, non-technical, everything. Because here we are focusing on understanding a language and using application of that particular language to geospatial, technology. So absolutely no worries. You will be able to understand each and everything. So please be meticulous in undertaking the all the activities of this particular course. He's also asking whether the assessment will be tough for you. Absolutely not. Once you do the things on a regular basis, it will be as simple as to anybody else. Shilpi is saying that we will be provided with a recording for the live sessions. The recording of the live session can also be provided along with the recording of the regular sessions. What you are saying is, as she will be in the office, I might not be able to attend all the live sessions. Okay, we'll provide you with the recording of the live session also. But the very purpose of live session is that you ask questions there and there itself, and there is a live interaction among the faculty and you, or among the participants. So even though we can put the recording of the live session also, my advice to all of you would be do participate in the live session itself.
Just to add, you can also make use of, as I said, the course forum, like in open access softwares. There are portals like Stack Overflow, all those, where people post their queries and answers will be given by other users. So the same we can even have on our e-learning platform. Your queries will be answered by the faculty as well as other participants, and there will be a record for everyone to who are logging in. They can check the threads, and if they are facing such issue, that can be answered.
There is a question from Dindi Rama Mohan Rao. I am not able to reset the password of the existing account. Please go to the link, forget password, and I think you should be able to do it.
Yes, sir. I think you there should not be. If at all, if you are still facing the issue, please contact us on the WhatsApp group. We will try to address.
With the forget password, we can do, sir.
Yes, with forget password you can do. Yes.
Yeah, mail. If you haven't received any mail, please check in the spam folders also. Many
Good
times
morning, sir.
it will
Good morning,
directly
sir.
go to spam. Yeah.
I'm Ram Mohan Rao, sir.
Yeah. Please go ahead, Mr.
Sir, since yesterday I have been trying to reset the password, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But after getting forgot password into the password in that section, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not able to receive any mail from the NWDA, sir.
Because it is automatically sent by the Moodle platform. I hope you are using the same email ID by which you have created your account.
Yes, sir. Last time QGS, I have created this account.
In the QGIS.
Okay. Yes, sir. I just wanted to access that account. So I'm not able to access, sir. I don't know what is the issue.
In that case, you use the same username, sir. Use the same name.
Yeah.
Then password, this mail ID also you give, and it will be coming in your mail ID.
Sir, even I access the username also, sir.
Yeah, no, your email ID is a government email ID, because
no, sir, it's a Gmail email ID, sir.
Okay.
Gmail.
Sometimes there are, I have seen some of the participants using government email IDs. They are not receiving mails.
Yeah. Then by using another email address,
Yeah, you
I have
try
tried
to. Yeah, try to create another account. It should not be an issue, but if you are unable to receive the mail, you try to create another user account. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Nabnita Sarkar is asking, sir, in which link I have to log in with my email ID and password? Once again, you can demonstrate, Chaitanya, where they have to enter their login ID and password.
Yeah, you please search on Google for NWA Pune. And the first result will give you this nwapune.gov.in portal, or you can directly type this address in the URL. And here, in the same place where you have registered, you have to click on this tab of login/registration. I have already logged in. Otherwise, it will ask you, like, it will take you to this new page where you have to input your username and password. I hope it answers.
Dr. Nabnita Sarkar, can you unmute and speak?
There is a query that whether the recorded sessions will be available after the training. See, the course will be available even after the completion of the training program. You can log in and access it afterwards also. But once the stipulated time period is completed, you may not be able to receive the e-certificate. That is the only issue. Because it is a faculty assisted course, not means it is not autonomously, you cannot complete the course and receive the certificate.
Yeah, this is very important to understand that you have to complete the course in the given time only to get the certificate, even though the course material and course modules will be available, or you can access it even after the course is over, but then you won't be getting the certificate for that, you know.
And for how many hours you are having planning? Because we wanted to have a flexi time approach. We are we want to have the working professionals to take advantage of this course. We are only keeping either one session or two sessions. Each session may be of duration 1 hour to 1 or 2 hours. So daily, I don't think from minimum 1.5 hour to maximum 3 hours you have to spend. So you can do that even after office hours. And then you can attend the live webinars, and you will be having weekend Sunday. We will not be having any session this Sunday, so you can complete the backlog. And after the completion on 6th September also, we will be giving time till 9th September for completing the modules and attempting the assessment test. And also please submit the feedback form. Those who submit the assessment test and feedback form will receive the e-certificate.
Ms. Hemlata is asking, will we be able to access the review session through mobile, since most of the days we will be traveling at 5:30 p.m. Yes, Ms. Hemlata, you will be able to access it through mobile also, no issue at all.
There is a Moodle app also. You may try to download it, or you can use the portal directly. Recorded sessions you can always, because your part is there hearing only. But for doing the hands-on, you have to work on any desktop or laptop that you can do outside office hours.
Ms. Varna is saying, I am from civil engineering. I don't have any idea on Python, so please explain the course from basic level. Yes, Ms. Varna, we are going to explain the Python programming from basics. Absolutely, because this particular course is for the people who doesn't have any idea about the programming, and we will be starting from basics. So don't worry. Please start from the session 1, and you'll be able to understand everything. There is one more query from Mahendra Singer. How to confirm my verified account showing unverified account? Don't worry about it. This verified, unverified, which is being shown right now in the WebEx, is nothing to do with your Moodle, course registration and verification. So just ignore it. Don't bother about this one.
Yeah, it is only regarding whether you have WebEx account or not.
Yes.
That's it.
So WebEx account is a different thing, and creating an account on our Moodle platform to access this particular course, that is a different thing. So don't worry about it.
So I hope there are no further queries.
Mr. Anil Kumar is asking, sir, this course is planned for how many hours per day? It's free. It's a 24/7 course. you can undertake the activities which are basically recorded activities any time of the day. But yes, for the live session, every day the review session will have to join at a particular time, given particular time. Okay. Vibhu Kalyan is asking something, sir. Will we get certificate for course organized on 19th to 20th of August, leveraging geospatial technology for water resources management?
Actually, it's a webinar.
It was a webinar. Yes, yes. It was a webinar which was basically for the public awareness. So we have not kept a provision for any certificate as such. But yes, whenever we conduct a long duration course, maybe 1 week course or 2 week course, which is called a faculty assisted course, you can participate in that course and then you will be getting the certificate. The 19th to 20 August, that 2 days, it was mostly of a public awareness kind of thing. So we don't have a provision for giving certificate for that. Indu Lekha is saying e-learning dashboard is not getting. In Google, please type NWA Pune, and I think you'll be see the first link, that is nwapune.gov.in. Click on it, and you will get it.
How to get certificate? You need not do anything. You have to complete the course in the stipulated time period, attempt the assessment test, and submit the feedback form. And if you had registered, we will be once it is completed, we will be circulating the list of final participants who have attempted, who have successfully completed the course. And we will be sending the e-certificate to your registered email ID. You can check your email ID and name when we circulate the list. Yeah, recorded sessions of 19th to 20th, they have already been circulated on WhatsApp. We will be sending them to all registered participants. We are waiting for the receipt of presentations from the guest speakers, all of them. So we will be circulating them. Completion of course means you have to complete, once you complete all the course material, all the sessions, they will be marked automatically, but we will take it as completion only when you are attending daily, you are logging in to the course page and following the sessions, and then submit the assessment test, which will be covering the entire sessions.
Somebody is asking in Moodle, it is asking for enrollment key. So I have already typed the enrollment key in the chat box. The enrollment key is Python 2024. P is the only in capital case. All are then small case and numerals. Okay.
It is not the site actually.
Yeah.
nlab.nwapune.in. It is not the.
Yeah, it is
site.
not our site. Our site is.
I will paste it.
Yeah, you please. Yes, yes.
Please use this URL. Yeah. I think we can conclude the session, sir, because these questions, the WhatsApp group is open and course forum is open. Okay. They can keep posting the queries.
Right. There is only one query from Mrinal Jyoti Bora. Can we have the recorded session of 19th to 20th August webinar? I think we have already posted it.
Yeah, yes, sir, that I have answered but we will also be sending it to their registered email IDs. Okay. We have circulated in WhatsApp groups. We are waiting for the receipt of presentations by all the speakers. Then we will send the links to the recorded sessions as well as presentations to all those who registered for that webinar.
If there is any other query, please post it, because otherwise we are going to conclude the session. Of any difficulty regarding registration, non-accessibility of the course website, do contact us on mobile, email, or through WhatsApp group, whatever is the feasible option for you. Because we want that you should be on board. You should be able to access the course website. That is the first step and very important step. If you are unable to access it, then obviously you can't go further in the course as such. So it's very important that you are able to open the account on our Moodle platform and access the course, enroll for the course and access the course. That is very important. And in case of any difficulty, please contact us through WhatsApp group or through WhatsApp messages or email.
577 participants have already enrolled, sir, on our e-learning platform.
Okay, because we have received nominations of about 850 participants. So there is a possibility that some of them are yet to register on the Moodle platform. Mr. Saeed Samiullah is saying, what will be the software required for the course? Can go ahead.
Yeah, software, actually we will be installing the Python and other third-party packages using Anaconda distribution, which will be explained in the first session. The requirements from your side are like you should be having a laptop or desktop with Windows 7 or above, not because many of the softwares will not be functioning. And you should keep sufficient space in your C drive. At least 5 GB free space should be there when we install Anaconda distribution along with other third-party packages. I have also explained in the first session, there is another way, there is another distribution package called Miniconda in case you are facing the space related issues. Everything is explained in detail in the first session. Please follow it.
Mr. Kamesh is saying that I completed my account verified website but did not log in the website. How can we access this course through Moodle app is another question from Sunny.
Moodle app, I will be circulating in WhatsApp group. Maybe screenshots I will try to circulate. But what I will suggest is, please, this is a hands-on based training program. You accessing it through app on mobile will not serve the purpose because you have to do you have to install on your system Python and packages, and then you have to do hands-on. You can use mobile for hearing the queries during the review sessions or just for a revision purpose. I will be circulating what needs to be done for accessing the course on mobile Moodle app. Or you can directly use a browser in your mobile phone to log in on our e-learning platform. That we will do. Had it been webinar, we would have recommended accessing the course even to the mobile app, but here it is not recommended. Yeah, please, all other further queries, Mr. Kamesh, please log in using the website by typing the URL. I hope.
Mr. Manoj Singh is asking some question.
No, that webinar was not conducted on our e-learning platform. That geospatial technologies for water resources management in the run-up to the National Space Day, we conducted it through WebEx. You will, if you had registered, I think you are saying you had filled the Google form. Definitely, you will get the course material, but certificate has already been conveyed by sir because it is a webinar. It is not we haven't kept any provision for providing a certificate for that online webinar. Let me post the recorded session links here in the chat box, and then we will try to conclude it. I am posting the links to the 2-day online webinar, a technical webinar that we had conducted. in the during 19th and 20th on leveraging technology, geospatial technology for water resources management and development. I will post it in the chat window. You will also receive, all the registered participants will also receive them in their email. I had already circulated in the WhatsApp group. Just give me
Have you made the first session available to the participants for the current course?
Yes, sir. Actually, it is there. I have to just activate it. It is
please
already
activate.
there.
Yeah. Please activate it so that people can start working on it. So Mr. Noor Alam is asking, sir, when the next session will arrive. So we are just activating the first session of this course, which you can start, taking up.
Yeah, the first session is live now. You can. I will
please
also
refresh your course page. You please refresh your course page, and you'll be able to see the first session for this training program, and you can start undertaking it. Shri Chaitanya is now Chaitanya ji abhi aapko he is posting the links to the recorded webinars which were conducted during 19th and 20th of August. So the interested participants can have can have them, and they can go through those webinars also if they want to.
Yes, sir. So these are for first day. You can bookmark the links, all the 4 links.
Or you can copy paste that those chat thing onto your Word file or any other on the desktop so that you can access it later on. Because once we close this webinar, the links will not be accessible to you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Regarding this, the webinar which was held on 19th and 20th, in the first session of the 19th, one sir who took the session, he talked about one that he will be sharing one PDF manual, something like that.
Yeah.
So
Actually, yeah. Actually, all those speakers are from NRSC and ISRO units. They were busy last week with the National Space Day. Only yesterday I had spoken to them. They will be sharing it today or tomorrow with me, and then I will share the links to these recorded sessions as well as those PDFs to all registered participants who had registered for that webinar.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I hope all of you have copied those links. So please go ahead with the first session. Please take time, take pauses, do simultaneously follow the steps and install a Python on your system through Anaconda Package Manager. We will also keep the installer files also. I will see if it is not, if there is no space restriction. I will also keep the installer files on our e-learning platform. Yeah. Thank you very much. Sir, you would like to say anything?
Once again, I welcome all of you to this training program, which is starting today. And I wish you all a very happy learning for the next 2 weeks or so. I'm sure it's going to be very good experience for all of you. Not only because our Moodle platform is very user friendly, but also our faculty members will be there throughout you to do your hand holding, and they will be answer all your queries and difficulties. And I'm sure at the end of the course, you will be very comfortable with the Python program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for joining us. And thank you all participants for joining us in the inaugural session. Even this recording will try to upload on YouTube, and we will provide the link. So please go ahead and start with your first session. a happy learning to all of you. Thank you.